This is my speed run. This is my speed run, right. Time starts when you start, when you press start. Someone edit this with like a live split counter on it. 3, 2, 1. Go. Okay, so I got, ow! So I got a, the working triangle! I can't open anything. I can't open anything. So you have to be looking at things. Hey, 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 open up. And then you gotta look at the right things. I see you. I see you. 25-year guarantee? What are you, insane? No one's gonna use a sink that long. You're a madman. 5 years? You're delusional. Okay. Go. 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 Okay. And then... What the fuck am I... Okay, wait, no. I teleported into the oven by mistake. Okay. And then... A wall cabinet in the shape, size, and color that I like. Never been done before. I've never seen anything like this. Okay. This is egg strats. Double-handed egg strats. Close that. And then I go over here. And then... Oh, wait, no, I got one of the eggs. Okay. And then the flour is down here. Okay. And then the pan is in here. Gently put. No, I didn't mean to gently push the drawers that time. Okay. Okay. 1. Go. Go. Go, for the love of God. Yeah. And then. I can't do it two-handed. It won't let me. But I can. Okay, and then egg speedrun. Egg speedrun, and then go, 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 go! Go, 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 go! And then go. Let me organize your kitchen speedrun. Okay. My microphone is right up in my ear. That's brilliant. Okay. Well, I don't know where the fuck I am. I didn't put enough pancake batter in. Shit! I never actually used the spatula. Let's see. Yes! Yes, the tag! Okay, and then... do I need to make more? How the fuck did I pancake skip earlier? That's the microphone again that I just headbutted. What the what in the world? What is this madness? Okay, dunk my hand into the pancake sauce. Okay, what the fuck? How? Fry the pancake. Bitch ass. Go. 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 And then put them in the oven. Okay. And now I'm gonna be 5 years old. Hello, child. What time is it? It's still 4 past 4! It's still 4 past 4! Okay, and then... No, God, Patrick, come on! Where did you put the fucking plates, Henry? Oh, Jesus Christ, you're a terrible child! Oh, Jason, you fucking... Yes, okay. And then... Is that time? Is that time? My headset's about to die. Is that time? Time happens when on the last frame of the game fading out. Yay! Yay! Woohoo! Happy, happy, happy! Happy, 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 happy! Time! Time! That's time! That's time! That's time! Oh, dear Lord. Damn. That IKEA pancake kitchen kind of going crazy, though. Oh, dear. Oh, dear.